prize time. We have two winners that we're going to draw from the Dreena's Kind Kitchen Cooking Challenge. And the first is going to win a prize pack from Survival Moss. I love this company. I first met them last year, and this year I've been making recipes with their products. You're gonna have to stay tuned for those. Actually, one I've already shared, and I have it right now. My chaga tea. I'm drinking that. Delicious, full of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, all kinds of health properties. So this prize pack will include a bag of the chaga nuggets, so you can make your own tea. I'll link to that video so you can look at that. And the brilliant thing about the nuggets is that they can be used and reused like over and over. So it's really quite affordable to make your own chaga tea. And you can find chaga tea bags in stores now, products that have chaga. They're pretty expensive, so this is the way to go. Then you're also going to receive a package of their lion's mane, freeze-dried lion's mane, and freeze-dried sea moss. This is a brilliant product, again, because most sea moss gels are refrigerated. They have to be, if you're not in a local area where you can pick it up, you have to ship it. It's expensive. It can't store very long in the fridge. They've pioneered this method of freeze drying the sea moss into a powder, and it's basically tasteless. You can add it to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, whatever, but I'm creating recipes with it. I have a chocolate pudding so far, a rice pudding, and I'm going to be doing some dressing recipes. And then lion's mane is really good for cognitive brain health. You can look into that as well, and you can take those together. So one of you, see what a pro I am, will win one of these, or will win this prize pack from Survival Moss, and you're lucky. I love this, so that's very exciting. The second winner will win a prize pack from California Balsamic Vinegars. I also love this company, and my favorite one right now, this is the one I use the most and I really love it, is their teriyaki balsamic. This flavor has ginger and garlic in it, and if you look at, like, I have a teriyaki recipe, sauce recipe. It's my teriyaki stir fry. And so you can create that sauce if you want, but for something quick, if you look at a lot of teriyaki sauces on the market, they have a lot of ingredients and sometimes thickeners and stabilizers. California balsamic is different. They use pure ingredients. It's very simple. And this has all that essence of a teriyaki flavor in a vinegar. So it's really nice to drizzle on. Quinoa. Oh, I have quinoa cooking. It's going to beep at me any moment. My kitchen is messy and I didn't clean it because I figured I want your kitchen to get messy too, right? So it's all going on here. So it's really good on hot quinoa. If you want to drizzle it on noodles or tofu, like sweet potatoes, anything really that you want to bring that flavor into your meal. And the other one I'm really liking is the curry balsamic. And I'm playing around with the recipe for this one to make a dressing because the vinegar itself is a little spicy. It's not too hot, but for some people it might have too much heat. But I love the base flavor and I want to bring it into a vinaigrette. So stay tuned for that. Some of the other ones that I really love are the ruby red onion balsamic. The mustard seed dill is delicious. So we're going to have a prize pack from California Balsamics going out to one of you. Okay, so those are the prizes. Really excited you're in the challenge, and let's get cooking.